Hello pet lovers, today we're excited to introduce the DUXANO Dog Grooming Kit and Dog Hair Vacuum, a powerful 15,000 pascal suction tool designed to capture 99% of pet hair, debris, and dust with ease. This kit features a durable stainless steel body, ensuring longevity and backed by an impressive 5-year replacement warranty. With its low noise level of just 52 decibels, your furry friend will stay calm and comfortable throughout the grooming process. Transform your home into the perfect pet salon with 7 essential tools, including a grooming brush, the shedding brush, electric hair clipper with 6 guard combs, pet trimmer, nail grinder, nozzle head, and cleaning brush. The brushless motor ensures strong suction, while the easy-to-clean components make post-grooming maintenance a breeze. Experience the convenience of professional grooming at home, giving your pet a fresh new look without the hassle of salon visits. Don't miss out on this all-in-one grooming solution that promises to keep your pet looking and feeling their best. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.